Here's how to use SketchUp's 3D Warehouse in Blender. The short answer is to use the Sketchup Importer Add-on available on GitHub. It's developed by Red Halo Studio, and I've put the link in the description. Download the zip file and enable the add-on in Blender. Now you'll see an option to import SketchUp files. In SketchUp, open the 3D Warehouse and find a model that you want to import into Blender. I'm using this classic Eames chair. Save your file, and back in Blender, import your SketchUp file. And it's as simple as that. You may want to fine-tune your materials and convert the triangulated mesh to quad geometry, but if you add this to your asset library, you only have to do this once and you can drag and drop it into any future scene. If this add-on doesn't work for you, here's another way to import a SketchUp file into Blender that I've used for years. Export your model from SketchUp as a collada file or .dae. Select triangulate all faces and export texture maps. This will create a new folder with all your model textures. Back in Blender, go to import and choose collada instead of SketchUp and import your file. You may need to clean up your geometry a bit. Do it once and you can add it to your asset library. If you use Blender for ArchVis, I found that SketchUp has a great 3D warehouse with a lot of actual companies providing their own models for accuracy. I personally find it a little bit more reliable than the Sketchfab plugin for Blender. Hope this was helpful, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more Blender tips and tricks.